Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Starting from the BTC under a weekly time frame, higher time frame. However, before we start, I've got a small request from you guys. If you're learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Yesterday, as expected, we closed, as you can see, above the support number 3. However, today we're seeing some volatility in the market. The volatility actually expected on the 21st and 23rd of September. We will see what will happen in the coming 72 hours. As long as we're going to be staying above on the weekly time frame, the support number 3, highly likely we will see a consolidation. Otherwise, losing this support number 3, price action may come between 38,000 and 40,000 levels on the weekly time frame. Moving on to daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as I mentioned in the yesterday's video, that 5 days we were under the resistance. As you can see, we've got wicks got rejected right from the lower line of this resistance, and as I said, there is not much bias in this level. And on the lower time frame, which I mentioned, that highly likely we will see a pressure from the sellers, and as expected that we saw a decent dump in the market. Current condition of the daily time frame still bullish, as long as we're going to be above the support number 4, which is around 40 and 41,000. Daily time frame will be still under the bull's control. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly how the wicks got rejected. First time we tested the lower line of this resistance, which was around 48,500, 48,000 levels. As soon as price action dipped around 44,000, 43,500, second test of the support number 3, third test, fourth test. As soon as we came to the fourth time, as I mentioned in the Twitter and in the previous videos, the sellers were exhausted, and highly likely the buyers will push all the way up to, in the first place, 48,000, and the second target zone was around $50,000, and that was confluence with our 0.618, the golden zone, which was around 49,000 and 49,600 levels. However, we didn't reach to our next target. As I mentioned in the last video, the 1-hour time frame already started giving us a bearish signal. 1-hour time frame was on the consolidation in yesterday's video. However, as I said, in the coming hours, on the 16th of September, if you remember, when the price action was around here, the price action, as expected, came inside the support number 2. However, maximum level, we could have dipped all the way up to the daily. We didn't get that daily, and the support number 2, as well as the 0.382, the fib levels held, and then we tested second time the lower line of this resistance. And then in yesterday's video, I mentioned clearly that we do not have much time, not 24 or 48 hours, in the coming hours. As long as we're going to be above this 382 and then 1-hour time frame, we might have a chance to go all the way up. However, it was nearly getting confirmed that 1-hour time frame getting under the bear's control. And as I mentioned in the previous videos, when the price action broke the daily level, highly likely, as I said, we're going to be going below support number 3. So as you can see, with today's dump, that we came all the way up to $42,453. As soon as we held this level of around $44,000, that we reached to our first target level with over 9% spot profit. However, testing the lower line of this resistance, it provided us over 10% profit. And if you're doing a leverage 10 times, 100%, 5 times, 50% profit. However, losing 1-hour time frame, which I mentioned that yesterday, also we lost on the lower time frame that we're going to see in a minute, lost the 382 as well as the lower line of this support. That also at the same time we had a confluence with our point of control. As I said, these are extremely important levels, because inside the support number 2 we've got lower line 382 as well as point of control. Losing that level, as I said, we're going to be going below support number 3. However, at this stage, as you can see, we closed this candle above the lower line of this support number 3. Before we move on to lower time frames, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all, and during the course you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. On the 2-hour time frame, we can see how the lower line of this resistance acted perfectly, and we got rejection week to week, dollar to dollar rejection from the lower line of this resistance. And as you can see, in this region, point of control played perfect role. However, losing with this candle to go all the way down to $42,450, and as expected, losing at this point of control, and that was a confluence with a 382. Highly likely the price action will go in the first place support number 3. However, this support number 3 may fail. Highly likely it will fail this time. And after we broke 382, point of control and lower line of this support, the price action dipped to 42,450. That was another 9% down as soon as we broke the support number 2. As I mentioned in the previous videos that I was warning, 4-hour time frame was heavily under the bull's control. However, these were the fake out, and we were expecting to get rejection, either the lower line maximum from these 0.618, the golden zone, and as we saw, we got a massive decline in the market. As soon as we broke the 382 point of control and then lower line of the support 2 hours entered under the bear's control. However, in the coming hours, I'm expecting that 4-hour, 2-hour time frame to test around 45,700 and 46,000 maximum the levels, and then highly likely again, I'm not expecting that this support hold these levels. And then the first level that I'm going to watch, the upper line of this support number 4, and that's going to be around $41,000 all the way up to $39,800. Moving on to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see clearly few hours we had a battle, lower line of this resistance, dollar to dollar, week to week we got a rejection, and as a result, 1-hour time frame, as I said, once we came on the 17th September, we were under the consolidation. However, managed to break and stay above the upper line of the support. Bulls managed to take the control once we broke the upper line of the support. However, in the yesterday's video, as I said, again, we came back to the consolidation, but the difference between 17th of September and yesterday's consolidation was quite huge. This time, we were nearly moving under the bear's control. And as a result, as you can see, we broke 0.382. Last time, as you can see, 0.382 as well as the point of control held the level. The current condition of 1-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. In the coming hours, again, I'm expecting to test the $45,600 and $49,000. As long as we're going to hold this support number 3, which is unlikely at this stage, highly likely under 1-hour, 2-hour, as well as the 4-hour time frame, expecting that the price action will test $41,000 in the first place, all the way up to $39,800 in the coming days. These are the bullish and bearish scenarios at the moment. Bulls lost the control on the lower time frame as well as the mid time frame. And play level to level, we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.